And welcome to our meteorology segment. I'm your host, Dan, aka smAsho, coming at you from the Smash News Network. Least busted name in news. Here are the jet streams of the Eastern world. Shout out to our viewers from this side of the planet. Please leave a comment if you're viewing the video from a different solar system, plane of existence, galaxy, spaceship, dimension, or continent. We're located in Lehigh Valley, Pennsylvania, if you're wondering. Here are the surface winds of this side of the planet. A strong counterclockwise rotation here south of the Aleutian Islands, as well as a low pressure here around the Kermadec-Tongan Trench area north of New Zealand. Also another one south of Australia. Very strong winds on the east coast of the U.S. If you follow me on Instagram, you may have seen a post about it. Instagram.com/smashamash is the URL. Make sure you follow us over there. There's all kinds of exclusive content that you'll never see on YouTube or on Twitch or on BitChute. Anticyclone here over the North Atlantic. You can see a clockwise rotation, an indication of clear skies and high pressure. Next, the jet streams and some very cold air being injected very far south into the U.S. You can see this area right here, this big bend. That is a major cold air situation there. Some huge meridional bends there in the jet stream. When you see the jet stream blowing north and south, that's called meridional jet stream flow, and it's blowing normally, as it usually does from west to east. That's what we call zonal flow of the jet stream. There's your consumer tip for the day. Next, we've brought up the pressure and precipitation forecast based on the GFS model. We've slowed it down to 1 frame per second here to show you the way this is going to come through. It's going to start out as wet snow here in eastern Pennsylvania and then end as colder snow. We're going to get like a powdery topping on the wet, slushy snow that's going to initially fall as colder temperatures move in. In any case, some heavy snow here coming to places like Tennessee. The entire state pretty much going to get coated there from west to east. Again, that's your 72-hour GFS precipitation and pressure forecast. Some major ice storms expected to happen as well. Here's your temperature forecast. The 72-hour GFS temperature forecast shown in Fahrenheit degrees this time. This morning when I checked the temperature in the breezeway, it was 13 degrees Fahrenheit. Shockingly cold. And I dropped some corn for the crows and deer. Yeah, they use up a lot of energy when it's that cold in order to not die. Again, that's your 72-hour GFS temperature forecast for the lower 48. Next, we're going to show you a snow depth forecast. We're just going to advance this into Tuesday. Here's where we expect things to be at 11 a.m. Tuesday. That is the European model snow depth forecast. It does include snow that was already there. So, quite a bit of snow at the moment. And let me just check the life of the stream. And everything looks A-OK. Thanks for leaving a comment, Robert, otherwise known as One Audio. Cheers. Next, your weather.gov map. We've got gale warnings. Those are just storm warnings. Okay. Storm warnings up the East Coast. Very high winds here off the coast of Cape Cod. And massive winter weather advisories. Red flag warnings there in southern Texas. And some fog in the very, very moist Pacific Northwest. Next, your NASA GOES lightning mapper. It looks like we have no terrestrial lightning in the U.S. Oh, there was some terrestrial lightning there. Briefly around Louisiana and Arkansas. Here's a real-time lightning map. It's from lightningmaps.org, powered by blitzachtung.org. You can say it aloud, folks. Go ahead, say it aloud. blitzachtung.org. I took German. I know how to pronounce it. Again, this video was originally streamed live to Twitch. Thanks to our Twitch followers. If you are a large Twitch channel who hasn't discovered our existence, please consider viewing us on YouTube. Please consider hosting us. Maybe come on the channel for an interview. We'd be more than happy to bring you onto the channel. Cheers. We're also on BitChute. We've been putting up some additional content on BitChute. Thanks to our followers over there. Thanks to our YouTube subscribers for putting up with the pathetic censorship on the platform. We would appreciate it if YouTube would take the thumb off the scale and allow our videos to be seen by more people. I don't know exactly how it works or why it works. But congratulations on realizing the channel exists. Thanks most of all to the Smash team. We've replaced Patreon with something superior. And we're interested in replacing society with something superior as well. smashamash.com/smashteam. Consider becoming a gold member if you want to see what that post is about society schmociety. Today's featured product is Mensa, which stands for Make Earth Not Suck Again. It's completely apolitical, folks. It's just an essay on personal responsibility. Make Earth not suck again. It's up to you. Not giant bureaucracies that can't even do their own jobs, much less get out of their own way, much less provide health advice for you. I'm wearing the hat. Check it out. The quality is high. It's made of polyester. It's what the pros wear. It's what I wear. Mensa. Make Earth not suck again. It's up to you. Next, NASA GOES interactive weather satellite showing water vapor over the Pacific Ocean. It's Earth's largest body of water. It's one hell of a heat sink. The Pacific Ocean. This is what's going on in the atmosphere above it. Check this out. Some violent activity happening there. What is up with that? Please leave a comment if you think a nuclear weapon was detonated there. Near, what is that near? Samoa? That is a crazy looking weather scenario. Not exactly sure what the physics would be behind that. Maybe we'll have to do another video on that later. Jeez. Berserk. Abso-smurfly berserk. And next, the U.S. Doppler Radar showing all 50 states. Shout out to our viewers from the North Shore, both of Hawaii and Alaska. We've shown you the Doppler Radar. We're going to focus on the lower 48 for the rest of the video because we've got quite a system here. Quite a system. And it's even going to dump some snow on us here in Lehigh Valley. Here's a shortwave radiation map showing you clouds and fog at night. Look at all the low clouds over the eastern seaboard once again. Once again. Here is the water vapor map for this area. And let's go back and show the recap. Lower 48 U.S. Doppler, which is, by the way, at the URL radar.weather.gov. Shortwave radiation map from the NASA GOES interactive weather satellite suite. And there's the water vapor. And you can see this impulse happening here from this dry, massive air. Taking its good old time, pushing that to the east, causing the system to stagnate a little bit and drop quite a bit of snow. Thanks for leaving a comment, red split rail fence. It's time to sign off from the Smash News Network, Least Busted. Name and News.